Are you facing difficulty in increasing your income? It's like no matter how hard you work, your colleague earn more than you earn.
So if this is you, then you should keep on watching this video, because in this video, we will be sharing with you 8 scientifically proven ways to boost your income. My name is Ivy.
And I'm Ying.
And welcome back to
the Financial Fitness Channel. Research has found that attractive people tends to earn more than 13% compared to other people. So today, we would like to share with you 8 scientifically proven ways to how to increase your attractiveness. Let's go. Tip number 1 would be keeping your teeth white. Okay, so white teeth is a good indicator of great health. So if you compare this and this, obviously, this person is more attractive lah, compared to this picture. You see this one 脏脏的这样子，哪里会别人会喜欢你？ So, if you want to maintain like this, make sure you brush up your teeth and keep that smile.
Tip number 2 is to have a nice smile, because having a great smile increases your face value. Now, if you do not know how to smile, don't worry. Just go to the mirror and practice, because practice makes perfect. Now, if you like what we shared so far, remember to click that subscribe button.
Tip number 3, go for a voluminous hairstyle. A voluminous hairstyle will make you look healthier and also fresher. If you have hair problems, consult with your hairstylist so that they can help you to get a voluminous hairstyle.
So prepare to be blessed. Mickey, bring me my toolbox. We got some major bling to do.
Tip number 4 is to take good care of your skin. Now, it doesn't matter whether you have yellow skin or white skin or brown skin. The most important thing is to look healthy, you must have healthy skin. So if you have a lot of pimples or you have a lot of blemishes, then go and find treatment for it, or go for a facial from time to time. If you're worried about budget, don't worry, I have a budget video right here which you can check it out later.
Tip number 5, always carry a red lipstick around. Actually, it can be any color as long as that lipstick enhances your features, because it really makes a difference with putting on lipstick and not putting on lipstick at all. If you did not put on any lipstick, you look pale and dead. By putting on lipstick, you look alive and a lot more 精神. You know 精神? So red lipstick is proven to give the most attention.
Number 6, put on a red dress. Now, it has been scientifically proven that red is the most attractive color among all colors. So if you want to make a lasting impression, then put on a red dress or a red tie, whichever that is your preference.
Tip number 7, balancing your facial features. So basically what does this mean is, I know naturally most of us, we are born with, maybe we have crooked lips, crooked eyes, and crooked nose or something like that. So there is this very magical invention which is called makeup. It can fix a lot of things. Go online, go watch YouTube, brush up your makeup skills, and balance out your facial features.
Tip number 8, be confident. Now, no matter whatever we have shared earlier, if you're not confident, then it's all useless. So stand out, stay brave, and go and mingle and show how beautiful you are, because you are beautiful.
If you like what we shared today, do give us a thumbs up. If you like to learn on how to earn more money, do check out our video over here where we save our first 100,000.
And if you like more saving hacks just like this video, then be sure to click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you do not miss our future video updates. And I'll see you next time.
Bye! Better got record.